How to create custom cat design. So first and foremost, you just have to simply go to any web browser and create an account on CustomCat. It's easy to create one. You just have to simply go to any web browser, type CustomCat, and then here you have your option, but you have to click this create free account right here. So for me, the easiest way to create an account on CustomCat is to just connect your Google account and just allow CustomCat to connect to your Google account. And once done, this is what it looks like. So here you have to add a product. You have your options right here. Let us select the first one. Now, what you're going to do next is you have to select the specific product that you want to design. For example, let's design a mug right here. Tap this. Now, inside the custom cat, you can add a picture. So basically, I strongly suggest to design or create your design using Canva. Canva is for free. You just have to simply go to elements and then look for any design right here. You can go to graphics, for example, a pet. Let's just say a cat. Drag this to the blank page, and then you just have to simply drag it right here. You can add more elements and text. Everything is up to you. You can add colors, effects, and so on. So once done, you can now download this. Make sure it's PNG. And then you can go back to your custom cat and then upload the design or the picture that you have created using Canva. Though you can design here, you can add designs from custom cat tools and features. You can just basically, go to the features right here or elements and then add it with your custom cat. But also, if it's hard for you, then you can use Canva and you just have to add some designs right here from custom cat. So once done, then you can now basically publish this or save this to your library, and that's it. So basically, you can edit custom cat designs here using custom cat features and tools. You can also ask help from Canva, but everything is up to you. So thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.